Western Union has evolved from offering purely retail money transfers to linking physical and digital assets, building a portfolio that provides customers with the flexibility to choose how they transfer their money. Western Union Global Money Transfer President Odilon Almeida shares insights on his laser-focused omni-channel strategy.
There are three realities in cross-border money movement. The first reality is that cash continues to grow. The second one is that accounts continue to grow. And the third one is that the cross-border money movement continues to grow. So it's not about cash or account. It's about putting cash and account together, retail and digital together, and link everything together. The winning combination of the future is not the company that chooses one segment to play, but is the company that plays in every segment. And that's our strategy in Western Union. And this is why we need to have all those paying methods, channels, and possibilities to send and receive money. The ultimate competitive advantage in cross-border money movement will be to empower the consumer to move money the way they want and the time they want.